Viewers, welcome back to AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel. You are watching 150 feet road connectivity to the Prestige Swing Heights at Budvel layout, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. This is actual site construction progress. You can see in the video. Almost cellar first slab is going on. This is the actual site. This project approved by HMDA, RERA, clear title land, Prestige purchased from the government action in Budvel layout. This project spread across 10.6 acres, 4 towers, G plus 34 floors, exclusive 3 and 4 BHK apartments, starting range 1571 square feet to 3051 square feet. Total apartment 1657 apartments with 85,000 square feet clubhouse, G plus 5 floors. In this project, special offer going on, flexible payment option, means flexible payment plan 20% on booking, remaining payment every year July 20%, like that till the handover 2029 July. So annually 20% every July you can pay. This is the flexible payment plan for north facing apartments. Whoever interested for this plan, please contact and display number for more details to schedule your site visit. And also regular scheme also available 2080. You can pay 20% for east and west facing apartments. Remaining you can take loan. You can go for the as per the construction link plan payment. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. Click on bell button. You will get notification future videos. Like and share your friends and family members. Bye.